Apa macam memperkenalkan diri? Parah lu. Lu drawing banyak pandai mau kena. Nanti salah. Lu malu ah. Yo, guys, kita baru nak tanya dia macam mana dia nak design. Dia lari pula. So, this is Asing kita orang punya stainless steel punya contractor. So, Asing dah buatkan kita orang dekat kita orang punya kedai lain, dekat kita orang punya factory. Ni nak buat lagi satu punya kedai kan. So, tengok Asing kerja, dia kerja keras tu nampak. Dia kira betul-betul. Come, show you nampak. Ni dia punya drawing. Kau nampak? Dia punya drawing baik tu. Ada kira-kira semua. Jangan dekat-dekat sana. Nanti Asing dia kira salah, nanti kita problem. Nampak? So, important guys, okay, stainless steel. Kenapa stainless steel? Because stainless steel is obviously tak boleh karat, okay guys. For food grade, normally you need to use stainless steel and you need to make sure that this place is also covered so that no, there won't be any excess, external excess. So, nanti sini punya pun kita orang akan tutup, tapi you guys can still see through lah. We are planning to put a glass, so you nampak macam mana kita orang prepare kita orang punya nasi lemak semua fresh, kita orang punya bubur. Nampak? I dah terlepas cakap pula apa kita punya kategori. Apa guys, still ada 3 lagi kategori kan. So you all figure that out, apa the other 3 categories are, and leave in the comment section. Okay guys, thank you. Looking forward to serving you heritage food since 1990.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.